and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today we're in the kitchen cooking roasted asparagus. So I've got these fresh asparagus from the store. I just finished rinsing them off. So what I'm going to do is cut the ends off, that thick part down there. We don't want to use that. And I'm just going to layer them on me a cookie sheet. Not layer them, just line them up on a cookie sheet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some garlic and oil together. I'll put me some olive oil in here, nice generous amount of olive oil. Then I'm going to take some minced garlic, a lot of garlic. I'm going to mix that all together. Let's even these out as much as we can because we want to make sure that we get it on all of it. Nice amounts on all of it. Okay, so I've got my minced garlic sitting in here with my olive oil for about 5 minutes just to let it soak in there real good. And I'm just going to take a brush. I'm going to just brush this on. After I brush this on here, I'm just going to add a little salt and pepper. I have my oven heated to 400 degrees. I'm going to just roast this in the oven for about 10 minutes. 400 degree oven. And you're talking about something good and flavorful. All this garlic, this oil. And put a little salt. Little pepper. And I'm just going to put it in the oven. Okay, so my asparagus have roasted for 10 minutes. And that's what they look like. So I'm going to put some on a plate. Just so that I can taste them. So I've plated my asparagus, and I just need to taste it. They're soft, they're tender. They have the garlic and oil and salt and pepper, and that's so easy to cook. I just roasted them on 400 degrees for 10 minutes, and they're delicious. So that's all for today. Thanks for joining me in Lavonne's Kitchen. See you next time. Bye.